Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, open the Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then select this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Finally, just click on all of your photos that you wish to add, or select Folders, and hold the chosen one over here. Then tap on Select at the top right corner to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!